Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 50 at 80 words per minute. It's a legal dictation, so be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. The question for consideration is as to whether it is permissible for an employer to fill any subsequent vacancy caused over and above the number of vacancies advertised, and in case the number of vacancies advertised stand filled, and whether the selection process comes to an end and stands exhausted. In such an eventuality, there remains no purity to the waitlist, as it is permissible for the employer to fill up the future vacancies which came into existence after closing of the selection process from the waitlist so prepared. It is a settled legal proposition that an employer cannot fill up the vacancies over and above the number of vacancies advertised, otherwise it would be a violation of the fundamental rights of the candidates who become eligible subsequent to the advertisement, as held by the Honorable Supreme Court. The Honorable Supreme Court quashed the appointments made over and above the vacancies advertised, holding that such an action was not permissible, as it would be count an improper exercise of power, and only in a rare and exceptional circumstance this rule can be deviated. That can be done only after adopting policy decision based on some strong grounds as a matter of course. Para change. The court further held that selected candidates have right to appointment only against the vacancies notified and for a limited period of time which the panel has decided. Therefore, the selected candidate cannot be valid for an indefinite period. Moreover, the empaneled candidates in any case cannot have a right against the future vacancies. In such cases, the selection process should be completed within a given period of time after the publication of the advertisement. Therefore, if a contention is raised that the empaneled candidates deserved to be appointed over and above the vacancies notified, or after the completion period of the selection process, the Honorable Supreme Court rejected the contention, observing that it may not be justified with those candidates who have achieved the jobs as per the eligibility for the post within the period of selection. In view of the above, the law cannot accept such contention as it would adversely affect and violate the fundamental rights of eligible candidates. Stop. Friends, practice these phrases regularly to improve your shorthand speed. And also, if you want to practice more dictation videos, you can visit my channel and see the playlist of all dictation videos available at 60, 80 and 100 words per minute. But please don't forget to subscribe the channel because your love and support motivates me to do more hard work for you. Thank you for watching this channel. See you in the next dictation video. Bye.